My name is Jason Gorslan. I'm the Director of Carpentry at Arch NYC. Portside is an immersive bar experience that's going to be located in downtown Manhattan from Memorial Day through Labor Day. It's a large deck structure and bar installation with a sort of harbor or marine theme behind it. Like any project, it's always a kit of parts and a problem solving to get started. A lot of things have to be figured out on the fly and how this is going together, and also working with structural engineers to make sure we have a stable system for the environment, which is located along the waterfront of the Hudson River. As far as builds go, we had a starting point when we started this. We had drawings that showed sort of how we were going to start, but it really took like us breaking down how to take that visual and overall drawing set and make it a reality. Each deck bay right now, there's 3 rows that consist of 10 deck structures that are individual, that would be shipped individually, that then get married together on site to create one larger system.
Hi, I'm Brent, managing partner of Arch. Brookfield Place is a high-end mall in the financial district of New York City. There's several really unique items about this build, one of which is the massive 30-foot by 80-foot deck. It takes a lot of know-how to get a deck to this size installed and clad in less than 4 days. You have to have the team that knows how to do it, the engineering, the build team, and the install team all working together seamlessly. And not only that, a lot of chutzpah to just say, we're gonna get it done. We have several other really fun parts of this build. The entranceways are reminiscent of a Nantucket entranceway, very warm and inviting, telling people to come in, have a good time. Not only that, but we found a classically restored rowboat and then decided to cut that boat in half and make our own lounge out of it with a custom 16-foot umbrella. The half moon was fun because one, it represents the half moon, which was Henry Hudson's boat, the explorer of New York and the New York Hudson Valley. And not only that, we cut that boat right in half and made it exactly that, a half moon.
Hi, my name's Shiny Galliani, and I'm the project manager for Arch. This year, we've been working with the Brand Guild to make sure that Brookfield Place is happy with everything we're doing. That means weekly meetings with both of the agency and the client themselves to make sure that everything stays on plan and that all plans are approved by both the agency and their client.
Hey, my name is Rico Algarin III. So building the shade structure, initially built it in the shop. We were able to figure out dimensions, kind of basic placement of everything. Everything's made out of carbon steel, so one of the issues is that we had to make sure it was rust-proof. So it took a lot of painting, a lot of prepping of the metal to make sure that it wouldn't rust. Take it all apart, make sure everything was labeled, and so we could just put it back together nice and easy, which went together pretty quickly.
Other unique considerations during this build are weather. This bar and outdoor cafe are going to be out in the elements from early June all the way through October. So we had to make sure that each item was an all-purpose wood weather item and/or covered in spar varnish, heavy-duty outdoor paints, heavy-duty outdoor laminates, and other materials. We made sure this thing's gonna last through all the rain and weather.
This is not atypical of what we do at Arch. Everyone that it's on this job has a background that's integral to what we're doing and brings a lot to the table as far as problem solving goes.
My name is Bronco Ballack. I'm one of the lead carpenters. All in all, it was a great project, really hard work, but the team is remarkable. There's a great group of guys and gals, start to finish, that really make this happen. We all pride ourselves on really hard work and getting the stuff done as cleanly and professionally as possible, and to please the client and to please ourselves. It's a lot of fun, a lot of hard work, but it pays off in the end.